Hi everyone, welcome to macsartplace. Today I'm going to try swiping on tiles. I've never done that before and I haven't seen anybody else do it. Of course, I haven't seen what everybody does. So I just had some tiles here and I thought I would redo them because I didn't particularly like what was on them. So today I'm going to try to swipe them. And I have these leftover paints from trying to do the blooms, which I'm just going to redo my mixture, but I thought I would do what I have for these tiles. So I'm going to pour white as a base. I don't like using a stick. I'd rather use my other tool, but this is so small. These are those 6x6 tiles I've been fooling around with. And I didn't like the result of what I had. So I've put some white on top and let it dry to try and cover over what was on there. It was just too dark and I didn't like it at all. So I don't know if this will work, but we will soon find out. And I've added some different stuff to my mixture. Don't know why. I just like to play mad scientist every once in a while. So with the colors that I had left over, with the purple, the gold, and the blue, I've added some Creative Inspirations acrylic medium, a few drops, and I've added polyurethane, a few drops of that as well. Don't know why. I like to experiment, I guess that's why. I like to try different things in my old age. Variety, the spice of life. When you get near 80, you're looking for lots of spice, I guess. So, trying different combinations of paint and products kind of makes it interesting. See what works, what doesn't work. I tried a swipe before on they were canvases, but they were not square. They were like this, maybe. I forget what it was. But I thought what I would do is use these pipettes that I had, and put some drops on. To me, that's easier than using the popsicle stick. And I'm going to use white for my swipe color. Paint's kind of thick. That's what I was trying to do, really. I was trying to add some more things to thin it out because it was kind of thick. I think I'm going to swipe from left to right rather than top to bottom. I probably could add a little red to this too, but I don't have that mixed up, so we'll just use these three colors. The ones that I have been redoing in a different form, or different method I should say, have been coming out nicely. They're not as dark, and you know, being a little more vibrant, I like them better. What I had was just absolutely too dark. I hope I have enough paint on there. Maybe I could add a little more. This is my swipe color. And I'm going to use this little piece of cardboard here. Looks like some nice cells are starting to create themselves over here. And I see a spot that I didn't swipe too well there. So we got that now. The gold paint seems to be doing the nicest. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to add some more and maybe even swipe with the gold on this one, because to me there's just not enough color. And I have all these paints I want to get rid of anyway. So it's always good to use them for something. Never tried swiping with two different colors. Do a little bit of torching. I think I don't really like what's going on here. This one seems like you see those cells that are developing. Of course, the one side that I used for swipe is kind of bare. I think I'll let that dry and see what comes out of it. But this one here, I'm going to try the balloon kiss, if I can find my balloon. It fell on the floor. Well, it's starting to do cells there. Well, that's a little more interesting than what was there. Let's see here. Got a couple there. I like that better. So that's my first kiss and swipe on a tile, and I'll have to let you know how they are when they're dry, but that looks pretty good. Thank you for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you watching and subscribing to my videos. And I'm anxious to see what these look like dry. It'll be very interesting. I think that they are nice colors together. They're nice and light and bright, which is very good. Please subscribe and share, and thank you very much. Bye-bye until next time.